Hello and welcome to our guide on how to set up SPF, DKIM, and DMARC in MailerLite. If you're using MailerLite to send emails, you want to make sure they actually land in inboxes, not spam folders, right? That's where SPF, DKIM, and DMARC come in. These email authentication protocols help prevent spoofing and improve your email deliverability. In this video, I'll walk you through how to set them up step by step. Let's dive in. First, log into your MailerLite account. From your dashboard, go to Account Settings and then click on Domains. Now, add your email sending domain and hit Save. Once the domain is registered, click on Authenticate under Actions for the added domain. MailerLite will now check if it can detect your DNS provider. If MailerLite detects your DNS, you'll get an option to automatically publish the required SPF and DKIM records. As you can see, the interface quickly detected my provider as Namecheap and opened a portal for login. You can now complete the steps to verify your provider and apply the DNS settings. But if MailerLite can't detect your DNS, no worries. You'll need to add the records manually. Just copy the SPF and DKIM records MailerLite provides and paste them into your DNS settings. You can simply head to your DNS Management Console's Advanced DNS settings to manually update the records or check the automatically added records like I'm doing here. Once the records are added, you can head back to your MailerLite account setting page and click on Check Status. If everything goes well, you should see an authenticated status against your setting domain. This means that your domain is now fully authenticated, like mine is here. And that's it. Your emails are now protected against spoofing, and your chances of landing in inboxes, rather than spam, just got way better. If you are unsure about the validity of the setup you just did, you can head over to PowerDMARC's Domain Analyzer tool. By simply entering your domain name, you get a detailed overview of your security score and email authentication posture. If this video helped, drop a like and subscribe for more email deliverability tips. See you next time.